Welcome to JH. Today we're diving into Fusion Markets, a popular online broker known for its low trading fees and fast execution. Because if you're going to lose money, you might as well do it at lightning speed. If you're thinking about opening a trading account, this quick review will help you decide if Fusion Markets is actually the right choice for you, or just another tab you'll eventually close in frustration. First, fire up your browser and head to the Fusion Markets website. The homepage is surprisingly clean and easy to navigate, which is a nice change of pace from the digital labyrinths most brokers call a website. You'll find options for Forex, CFDs, and commodities trading, all powered by the industry-standard MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. Fusion Markets is regulated by ASIC, meaning they actually follow strict financial rules and offer a secure environment. This is perfect for traders who care about safety, transparency, and not having their broker vanish into the night with their deposit. Now, let's talk about fees and spreads, the part where most brokers try to hide the fine print. Fusion Markets is famous for having some of the lowest spreads in the industry, especially on major pairs like Euro to US dollar. There are no hidden commissions or deposit fees, making the platform quite beginner-friendly. It's almost like they want you to keep some of your money, which is a bold and refreshing strategy in this business. Opening an account is suspiciously simple. You just click Open Account, fill out your details, verify your ID, and you'll be ready to trade in a few minutes. If you're still feeling a bit shy, you can start with a demo account to practice your inevitable mistakes before using real cash. Deposits and withdrawals are smooth and support multiple methods, including cards, bank transfers, and e-wallets. Overall, Fusion Markets is a great choice if you're looking for a low-cost, reliable, and regulated broker that actually executes trades when you tell it to. Thanks for watching.